Fish on.
Keep it going. Keep pressure on him. It's hooked up, guys. He's got a pipe. Keep it going. You got a bow spin. Oh, pipe. Got it.
Woo!
She's cold.
Those wires get like that.
Well, it helps push this the right way. What's up? What's going on, everybody? And welcome back for another fishing episode. I'm Rob. That's my boy Ty. And we're out here on the creek, guys, and we're gonna try to catch some late fall fish, either bass, pike, maybe bowfin. We have no idea, guys. It's cold. We're just gonna be casting away, so that's kind of the game plan. We're throwing spinner baits right now. You never know what we might change to, so stay tuned, guys, and let's catch some fish.
Gotta jump it.
It's like, hoping we can turn a big boat like that. Ty, get the net.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Just set him down.
Boy.
Pike hitting it out here, guys. Kind of got his gill played a little bit, but he'll be okay, guys. He's stressed out a little bit. We're not gonna make this long. Ty, will you grab that bump board?
For what?
That bump board.
Fish?
Yep. Just dip it in the water real quick.
Yeah. 27 inches.
Yeah, 20. Oh. Well, we got a 27 slimy 27. We're gonna let him go. Heck yeah, dude. See?
Woo!
I told you, Pippin. And she's gone. See, guys? This is why we're out here. Catch and release. We do this shit all winter long.
Oh.
Heck yeah. 27 to start the day.
Yeah.
Chartreuse, Ty. Chartreuse, Pip. I was just telling Ty, like, Ty, be careful. This is an area.
He literally just saying it. Fish on.
Keep it going. Keep pressure on him. It's hooked up, guys. Guys, he's got a pike. Keep him going. You got a bow fit. Oh, pike. Got him. Woo! Dude, that's a nice one too, dude. Heck yeah. Here, you can grab the clips. And then you, yep, and then you can put one hand underneath. You got me unhook him?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, guys. Look at Ty, hold it up more. Heck yeah.
Woo. Now we both got us pike.
What'd you catch that on, Ty?
Oh, the old freaking chatter dog.
Got the job done. Heck yeah. You want to put it on the bump board and we can see?
Real quick.
Make sure your nose is touching the front.
Ooh. 28 and a half. Woo. Thank you. Oh. There he goes. Ooh, slimy mother trucker.
Heck yeah, dude.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I was just talking about that too. I'm like, man, we both need to catch a fish, and we did.
Yeah. He hit like a log.
And I think size might have something to do with what's going on as well.
Nice. Don't let him lie to you, boy.
Size does matter when the water get cold. Sometimes you catch the bite window right.
Yeah, I'm telling you, boy. Oh, we're fucked now.
Oh fuck!
Oh, shit, boy. Time to do it this time. Oh, something. Oh.
Shit, it's almost off there. You got a wrap 20 times.
What? Give me my shit.
That's making it short.
We got a bass.
Finally.
Got us a bass. I was just saying,
This is what we came out here for, guys. Is a bass. Just a bass. That's it. That's it.
He's down there laying in the mud too. He's a little dog.
He's pretty.
He is.
Heck yeah. Little guy. Not the biggest, but we got us back. Chatterbait.
Yeah,
now you believe in it?
Chatter dog's killing it.
See, we're breaking Ty in on the chatter donk, and I think he's starting to like it. So.
Oh, I hear.
Get a release on him.
Is that out in the middle?
No, he was up close. See, I think it's a size 2 in winter time. They get a certain.
They don't want something huge. You're sick, boy.
I was hoping we get one more. One more. Yep. I have no idea what it is. My fucking drags. Oh, it's a pike. Stop.
Feisty little bug.
Well, I did get my wish. I got one more. Heck yeah. That's why you don't spin. But there is, right, you see their gills?
Oh yeah, there's blades.
Right here.
Grab 'em.
Supposedly, I don't know. I'm not gonna try.
I don't like them. Yeah.
It hurts. Something like this. Spin the boat around so we can get a decent picture with the GoPro. I didn't even take any selfies with you. What is wrong with me? You get the selfie bowl. Alright. Smallest pike of the day. Heck yeah, guys.
Chatter donk getting her done again. Old chatter.
I'll get a selfie with this one, little guy. I was just complaining how, oh, he's breathing. Just the way we like it.
Yeah.
Ask her. Ask your girlfriend.
Ask your wife.
Yeah, seriously, ask your wife. She would know. See, guys, and he was totally fine. He just swam off. He got a little bloody because, you know, he bit the chatter donk.
Chatter bite back, yeah.
See, it was a bad day. It was shit. How many fish we caught so far, Ty?
No, that's 5. Wait.
No, not
Four.
5.
Four. You caught 3? I caught 1.
I caught
2 pike and 1 bass.
Wow, I would have never guessed. Oh, look at their blood in the water. Oh, he got me too. See? That's why I tell you guys not to do that.
I don't like that way, shit.
That's why I don't normally do that for you guys.
I never, yeah. Those things are. Yeah.
Kitty.
Oh, it's mittens. Got all white paws. Kitty. You know, he's like, I'm Billy Badass out here in these parts, boy. You guys only caught a 29-inch pike. I snagged 40s.
You call me Nick. Shit. Oh, you should see these fuckers.
See these? I hit you with that left, the right, and the left, right. Oh boy. Oh yeah.
That's a good one, Ty. Fish,
Oh, I
Ty.
fucked it up.
Oh my gosh, Ty, he's right here, Ty.
I'm fucking up.
Oh my gosh, Ty, he's right here. No, that ain't gonna work.
Oh.
It's too small. Oh, what the fuck are you doing?
Fuck everything up this time. I'm gonna take. Oh, no. Damn, that's the next one. Hey! Got lucky there. Good hook. This thing needs to go fucking right. That's why I hate those things.
Wow, he inhaled that, Ty.
Did you really? Oh, damn. Because you didn't have it, you weren't even reeling it. You flipped it off that branch.
Well,
And he smacked it. He's a thickin'. He's eating. Dude, that thing's fat.
yeah, I'd sit down so it looks.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Heck yeah, guys.
Throw that.
I'm gonna put him on the bump board. He's touching just over 27, about 27 and a half.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he definitely ate something in there.
Yeah, so he's...
It was like a fish or something. We're gonna get the weight on him. Probably 3-pounder, 4-pounder.
Look at the kitty in the background. £4 or 4 or 5.
Locked in. And this is how you handle. This is how I handle pike, guys. I don't like to play around with the whole gill plate, getting my fingers ripped off. We're gonna get her back in the water and try to get a release on her.
And there she goes.
Boom!
Like that, boy.
Heck yeah, guys. And when stuff's hard fishing, guys, like me and Ty threw the spinnerbait all through here, we didn't catch any fish.
No.
On the way back, we threw the chatterdonk, and guess what happened? Cast
Kerplunk.
out on them. So, heck yeah, guys. Sweet.
Woo!
Yeah, we forgot to shoot an outro for that video. Me and Ty, we had a bunch of fun. Me and Jimmy had fished there before, and we've caught some pretty nice fish there. I'm not saying me and Ty didn't, but oh my gosh, that place is always fun to fish. Ty hooked up with his personal best pike, so that's pretty awesome, guys. That's pretty dope. I caught a few fish myself, a few pike, a fat 28, a slime at 27, and a little hammer handle. I wanted to catch more bass, but of course, living in Michigan, you know how that goes. When you hope for the bass, you catch the pike. And when you hope to catch the pike, you catch the bass. So we made it happen. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Me and Ty were super pumped to get out there and fish on Thanksgiving, so that was huge. Ty caught his PB on Thanksgiving. Boom! Heck yeah, guys, that's dope. So I hope Ty's happy, and he caught that on the chatterbait. So I don't know if that's his first fish on the chatterbait or just his biggest fish. I don't know. But Ty's not used to fishing the chatterbait, so he got to experience that. And that worked out pretty good, guys. So hopefully he's a fan of that. That'll strengthen his fishing game. So that's just another lure that he's starting to feel a little confident about. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and drop a sub for me. If you guys have any ideas or want to see something different, let me know. I got some big plans in the works right now, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna let you guys know what exactly I'm gonna do, but it's gonna be big, guys. And if I do this, that will open the door to bass fishing that I've never done before. I wasn't able to do. So, on that note, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoy it with family, friends, loved ones, eat a bunch of food. And I'll see you guys on the next fishing episode.